Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you're both safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you 3 simple but elegant Dollar Tree Christmas DIYs. Now let's get started. For DIY number 1, I'm starting off with this Dollar Tree flour sack towel. So the first thing I did was fold my towel in half, and then I sealed all 3 sides with hot glue. I again folded my towel in half, and then I sealed all 3 sides, leaving a small opening towards the bottom. Next, I flipped my towel inside out, and I used my smallest heat press to iron out any wrinkles. Next, I'm using this Dollar Tree glitter iron-on transfer to cut out the image of a Christmas ornament. To complete the look, I added a small piece of Dollar Tree diamond wrap, and here's how DIY number 1 turned out. For DIY number 2, I'm using a 5-inch round mirror, silver wire LED lights, a piece of floral foam, and diamond wrap, all from Dollar Tree. I hot glued the battery pack inside of the floral foam, and then I hot glued the mirror on top of the floral foam as well. To enhance the look of the diamond wrap and to hide the floral foam a bit more, I've decided to add a second layer. I added a small piece of Dollar Tree Mardi Gras bead to the top of my design, and here's how DIY number 2 turned out. These super cute mirrored Christmas ornaments can be placed on the wall using command strips or placed on a table and used as fun holiday coasters. I recently picked up these new LED lights in the Christmas section of Dollar Tree. I don't think they're available on the website, but if you happen to come across these, here's an idea. I've added rose petals to 2 strands of these lights, and I'm going to display them using bamboo skewers and a Dollar Tree mirrored box that I made some time ago. Using large toothpicks would probably work a bit better for this step. However, I didn't have any toothpicks and decided to use what I had on hand. Also, adding hot glue to the stick prior to pushing it into the foam will help hold the flower in place over time. Once I added both strands to my mirrored box, I had something that looked like this. To give my mirrored box a more Christmas look, I'm adding some of this silver Dollar Tree pearl wrap. To complete the look, I used Dollar Tree adhesive spray to adhere some silver extra fine glitter, and here's how DIY number 3 turned out. I think that all 3 DIYs turned out beautiful, but what do you guys think? Which is your favorite this week? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week, so until next time, Dazzlers, bye!